Question 16 reads, the figure above shows the route of Diane's trip from her house to her job. Diane travels 16 miles from A to B, 15 miles from B to C, and 4 miles from C to D. If she were able to travel from A to D directly, how much shorter in miles would her trip be? This is a triangles problem that has a couple of opportunities along the way for you to be tricky and solve it really quickly. So let's draw the distance from A to D. Now you might be tempted to think of this distance as the hypotenuse of this triangle plus the hypotenuse of this triangle, but you run into a lot of trouble trying to split up this 15-mile value into two amounts. The faster way to do this is to just drop this down here and realize that it's the hypotenuse of one big fat triangle that has one leg at 15 and the other leg at 16 plus 4 or 20. Now, we want to find the hypotenuse of this. The slow way would be to do the Pythagorean theorem. 15 squared plus 20 squared is equal to the distance of this here squared. The fast way to do it is to recognize that it's one of those special right triangles you should recognize. It's a 3, 4, 5 right triangle. 15 is 3 times 5. 20 is 4 times 5. So the distance should be 5 times 5, or 25. So now we know really quickly that the linear distance between A and D is 25. Now we can go straight to answering the question, how much shorter in miles would her trip be? Well, her trip here is 25 miles. Let's see what it used to be. If we add it all up, 16 plus 4 is 20, plus 15 is 35. We'll just subtract them out and get 10. So the correct answer is C, 10 miles.